Welcome to Food Dialogues, dialogues with food and about food. Today, Food Dialogues brings to you a healthy snack, a Navaratri Naivedyam, the Sundal. This is a quick cooking Sundal without the overnight soaking. The ingredients for the Sundal are 1/4 standard cup of frozen peas which I had blanched and frozen during the season, Bengal gram dal or the chana dal or the kadala paruppu, and the moong dal or the paitam paruppu. So 1/4 cup each. Now for the tempering will be 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, about half a teaspoon of mustard and 1 broken red chili, half a teaspoon of Bengal gram dal and udad dal, half a teaspoon of idli molagapudi, and a few pieces of coconut and curry leaves which I am going to powder in the mixie jar. Now I will cook the dals and get back to you. I will be using the open cooking method and not the pressure cooking. I am going to cook each separately. Now peas will take about 5 minutes in an open pan, Bengal gram dal about 10 minutes, and the moong dal about 6 minutes. So after cooking these dals, I'll get back to you for the recipe. Now I have cooked the dals and the peas separately. As I told you, the peas took just about 5 minutes. The moong dal or the paitam paruppu about 6 minutes. It should not be soft cooked, it should be al daan. That is, when you eat it, the bite, you should feel the bite of the dal. And similarly, the chana dal took about 10 minutes in an open pan. I've also grated the coconut and gave it a whir along with the curry leaves. This way, the precious curry leaf is also eaten along with the sundal. Now let's see how to go about the tempering. I've added a spoon of oil to the pan. In goes in the mustard and the red chili. Let us wait for the mustard to splutter. The mustard has started spluttering. Now I'm adding the dal and I'm going to give it a stir till it becomes golden brown in color. Just a few seconds. And goes in the coconut and curry leaf gratings. So give this a good saute before adding in the dals. The moong dal. The chana dal. And the green peas. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. We have to take care with the addition of salt because the idli molagapudi also has some salt in it. A nice, colorful, quick cooking Sundal will soon be ready to serve to your family. Loaded with protein is something that all of us know, but dals and pulses are also rich sources of iron. So now I'm going to sprinkle the idli molagapudi. The quantity you can vary depending upon the spice quotient of your family. The quantity that I've made today is 1 serving for a school-going child, an adolescent and an adult. In case of a toddler, you can do away with the red chili and the molagapudi, and this would be about 2 servings in case of a toddler. So now the Sundal is ready to be served. In case required, you can also squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. I'm going to switch off the flame and serve it now for you all to eat. The quick sundal is now ready for Naivedyam to the goddess and also to serve to your family. For more interesting recipes, please follow my website fooddialogues.com and my YouTube channel Food Dialogues. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Happy Navaratri to all.